What's going on YouTube? I want to do this quick walkthrough of this beautiful property that I just hosted an open house for in Atwater. This property is a completely remodel home. The main house is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and as you guys can see, it's pretty dialed in. Custom cabinets, new flooring, new windows. So this thing went into an extensive remodel. You have the first bedroom here in the front of the house. Then you have your first bathroom. And then this is your second bedroom here. Decent size with some closet space. But what I really want to show you guys is this kitchen and backyard. Check this out. Boom. You have your kitchen that you walk into. Has that open concept, right? You have your washer and dryer hookups here. This is perfect in case things do get messy. And you have your half a bathroom there. Some beautiful wallpaper. Let me show you guys. And this property is listed right at 2.4 million. This property sits on a 7,000 square foot lot. You have your traditional living room here in the front, right, where you could put a TV there mounted. Then you walk into your master, to your primary. Check this out. Right, you have 2 closets side by side. Then you have this gorgeous bathroom with some saltillo tile, right? You have double vanities. Such a nice property. And check out the view on that. Imagine waking up to that every morning. Wouldn't that be insane? And then one thing I want to show you guys is the backyard, but from this angle. Check this out. Imagine hosting parties here in the summer. We just hit summer here in LA. It's been cloudy, but no more of that. You have this deck that wraps around basically the whole back portion of the house. Let me show you guys. I know you guys keep looking at that pool. The pool is wonderful. And this particular lot, it's a bit narrow. So for you to make this property as wide as it is, you do have to cancel your driveway, right? So for some buyers that might be important, but you get this, right? You do get this amazing pool. You guys can see, brand new pool, brand new landscaping all around. You do have the ADU in the back, right, where you have your 1 bedroom, 1 bath. And then let's go check out the ADU, and let's give you the shot of the back of this house. The back of this house is pretty neat. It's probably one of my favorite ones that I've hosted in a while. Check that out. Let me give you the angle from the bottom. Come on now. Let me know if you guys want to submit an offer on this gorgeous property. So you walk into your ADU, you have a small kitchen. You might get away with putting some sort of living room situation, sofa, right? Right now I set up as a gym, right? Then you walk into your bathroom, full bathroom, shower. You have your vanity there, toilet. This property has, well, the back portion of it, the ADU, has polished concrete, which I'm a big fan of. This is where the bed will go if you wanted to make this into a bedroom. If not, you could leave it as it does. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you guys think of this house. Big fan of the backyard. If you're into entertaining and you want to host a lot of parties, this is definitely the property for you. How I said, the house is, the main house is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It's closer to 1,900 square feet. The back ADU is a 1-bedroom, 1 bath, closer to 300 square feet, and completely redone. And it's listed at 2.395, so basically 2.4. If you guys are thinking about buying real estate in LA, please, I'd love to be of assistance, and so I can service you as the best as possible. And that's it, guys. Hope you guys having a wealthy day, and that's it for this one. Have a great day.